everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Samsung Hotspot not working in 2026. For that, the first thing that you can do is simply head over to your quick settings, and then you can toggle on airplane mode on your device and toggle it back off after 10 seconds. The other thing that you can do is simply head over to your quick settings again, or head over to your data settings and toggle off data saver inside your data settings or your quick settings. The other thing that you can do is simply head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, what you can do is scroll down to find general, tap on general management. Once you're inside general management, scroll down and then tap on reset. Here you can tap on reset network settings, which should possibly solve your problem. You can also change your frequency to 2.4 GHz instead of 5 GHz from your hotspot options, as all devices may not support 5 GHz. For that, simply hit configure by opening your hotspot, tap on band and set it to 2.4 GHz. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.